everyone, welcome to Search Online Academy. This is Ezekiel Chimana. Today team I'm going to take you through do while loop in C programming. This is our video number 9 on C programming for beginners full course. So on the previous video team we are looking at a while loop. So if you have any challenge with the while loop, please click on the link above and maybe watch that video and come to this video later. And team, if you are new to this channel, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get a notification whenever we upload a new video. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's begin our video. So what is a do while loop? So team, when you look at a do while loop, it's just like a while loop, but this one, it executes the code at least once. Why? Because we first do the task and then after that we check the condition. So you do something where the condition is true, just as simple as that. So this is the syntax. You have the keyword do, and then we do what we want here, and then we put a while, then the condition there. So we've got this example guys, which shows that int I is equal to 1, and then like we just want to print from I is equal to 1 till I is equal to 5, something like that. That's what we want to do here, just as simple as that. So we start by declaring this variable, and then we do what we want here, and then we check the condition, right? Just as simple as that. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive in this demo, right? So here I want to do something while the condition is true, something like this. This is what I want to do, and take note that you need to terminate after putting that while with this condition. You need to terminate, right? So here I'm just saying while I is less than or equal to 5, and I need to just first declare the variable I before make use of that variable. You need to know that. So I'm going to start when I is equal to 1, and then what do I want to do? Let me just print the value of I so that we just try to, so that we see what is happening there. Let me just print I there. I'll put %d, and then I'll just put I there. Let me put some space so that it will be maybe 1 2 3 4 5 in just the same line. So guys, if you fail to increment I here, you know what happens. I think we talked about this as well when we're doing the while loop. You need to make sure that you increment I so that you do not create an endless loop where to keep on printing just 1 and 1 and 1 and 1, something like that. So if I do this, let's see the output. Output will be just 1 2 3 4 5. So this is how you make use of a do while loop, and it's very useful. Like whenever you want to do something, or maybe you want the code that can run at least once, right? So you are guaranteed that you need the first iteration, and then maybe it depends on the condition later on. That's when you need the do while loop. Maybe I can also do it, maybe a simple program like whenever I'm happy, I just want to print that I'm happy, and then whenever I'm sad, I want to print that I'm sad, right? So I'll just say I'm happy, and I'm happy. Sorry, let me just remove this I. So just say I'm happy, and then let me just put a slash in there. So what I would want to do here, I want to remove this one as well. So what do I need to do here? Here I need to use printf. No, not printf. Let me just say scanf there, because I know what I'm doing. So I'm going to say %d, and then I'll put the value in I, right? So I need the address operator, right? So whenever I get bored, or whenever I'm not, I'm not happy, which means I'll be sad. So I just want to go outside of this do while loop and print f and just say, oh, I am sad, right? Just like that. Then I put a slash n. So how does this work? I know that here I'm saying where I is less than or equal to 5. So whenever I put any value which is greater than 5, it's going to stop. Otherwise it is going to keep on printing I am happy as long as I put a value which is less than 5, right? So, oh sorry, I need to terminate here, right? So let me just run this, right? And I'm happy, right? I'm going to put a 1. I'm happy, I'm going to put a 2. I'm happy, I'm going to put a 1. I'm happy, and I'm sad. Let me just put a 9. I'm sad, and then it just stops there, and then print whatever or do whatever which is outside the while loop. So guys, this is the do while loop. If you have any challenge, please make sure you put that in the comment section. And also, if you have any recommendation on the video that you really want, please put that also in the comment section. Otherwise guys, if you are new to this channel, please click that subscribe button as well as the notification bell, so that whenever I post a new video, get a notification. And also give it some thumbs, share with your colleagues, and that's what the algorithm actually likes. Thank you guys for watching this video. Have a great day.